Friends, this is Divya Bhattacharya store, and my store name is Divya Computer Care. We repair in the field of laptop repair, mobile repair, computer repair, accessories of computer, display replacement and keyboard replacement, chip level of replacement repair, battery and charger of laptop, computer training center. As you can see, our address is Vipulkhand 3/1 Vipulkhand 3, Gomti Nagar, Lucknow, near Study Hall School. And see, this is my store. This is my microscope for viewing very small equipment in a large scale. See, this is the display which is connected to my microscope, and I'm putting any mobile, or see, this is a small ICs and all sort of things which we are not able to see with our naked eyes. So for that I have a requirement of microscope. Its model number is Baba Tools MT103. This is my DC power supply for shorting purpose or for giving the voltage to laptops. We use this DC power supply. Okay, and this is the display part of the microscope. See, I have lots of motherboards and laptop repairing tools. See, there's many laptop repairing tools, different type of screwdrivers and paste and liquid paste. See, this is a small display which is usually I used to check the laptop display if the display is working or not by connecting this with an HDMI port. This is the HDMI port to any laptop, and check whether the display is bad or motherboard is faulty. Okay, and my contact number is, as it is mentioned in my board, is 06387555295. I repeat, 06387555295. See, okay, thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you.